Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best LED headlights available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the AUXITO 2PC's best Turbo H7 LED bulbs. The turbo design, coupled with the advanced fan CSP chip technology, immediately sets the AUXITO LED bulbs apart. With a remarkable 100W power output and an impressive 20,000 lumens, these bulbs are a staggering 400% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. The one-beam design ensures a seamless transition, mimicking the pattern of halogen bulbs. The 16PC's CSP chip configuration provides a 360-degree lighting experience, illuminating the road ahead with unparalleled clarity. Equipped with an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, the AUXITO LED bulbs perform exceptionally well in diverse weather conditions. From heavy rain to scorching heat, these bulbs maintain their brilliance, providing consistent and reliable illumination. This weather-resistant feature adds a layer of reliability, ensuring visibility is never compromised regardless of the driving conditions. At number 2 is the HYNBYZJ 220,000 LMH7 LED Canbus car headlight. Behind this extraordinary performance lies an equally impressive cooling system. The fan design incorporates a double ball bearing fan with a remarkable 12,000 RPM speed, ensuring superfan air volume for extremely fast heat dissipation. The HYNBYZJ headlight adopts a plug-and-play approach, simplifying the upgrade process for any car enthusiast. The non-polarity design adds an extra layer of safety, preventing short circuits that might arise from incorrect plug installation. The HYNBYZJ headlight boasts an impressive IP68 waterproof and dustproof grade, ensuring reliable performance even in adverse environments. The built-in intelligent temperature control system monitors real-time temperature, automatically adjusting the current to reduce the risk of dead lights. With a service life of 100,000 hours, the HYNBYZJ headlight is not just a short-term upgrade, it's a long-lasting investment in enhanced visibility and safety. At number 3 on our list is the DAWNKNIGHT K7C 4300KH7H4H11 LED lamp. The 150W variant boasts higher power and brightness, tailored for projector headlights. On the other hand, the 110W version, akin to the K5C 110W, optimizes both the driving scheme and heat dissipation system. Notably, the H4 model is an exception, rendering both the 150W and 110W versions suitable for use with reflectors. Comparing the K7C 110W brightness to its K5C counterpart, the K7C shines brighter in certain projectors. One must exercise caution when integrating LED bulbs, as some vehicles necessitate the installation of a decoder to prevent issues such as flickering lights, fault indicators, or uncontrollable high beam activation. The absence of a decoder can lead to operational irregularities, emphasizing the need for this modification. The all-in-one design with a cooling fan ensures efficient heat dissipation, employing aircraft aluminum 6063. With an integrated Canbus function, the system boasts a commendable lifespan exceeding 50,000 hours. Moving up at number 4 is the Bevinsee new H7 LED headlight. Say farewell to the dim and yellow halogen lights with Bevinsee's H7 LED bulbs. Delivering a cool, clear white light at 6000 K, these premium bulbs offer up to 300% additional illumination. The impact on nocturnal visibility is immediately noticeable, making your nighttime drives safer and more enjoyable. The hassle of complicated installations is eliminated with Bevinsee's user-friendly design. The one design mimics the original halogen bulbs, requiring no additional adapters, bulky bases, or extra drivers. With an IP67 waterproof rating, Bevinsee's H7 LED bulbs are built to withstand water ingress, providing peace of mind in various weather conditions. Equipped with the latest linear decoding technology and a built-in intelligent IC driver, the Z22 LED-H7 bulbs are compatible with 99% of vehicles. The Canbus Ready feature ensures a smooth performance without errors, flickering, or radio interference. At number 5 is the AUXITO 2PC's 22000LM Super Bright Headlight. One of the standout features of these headlights is the presence of 12 high-power LED chips. The brightness, boasting an impressive 22,000 lumens, significantly enhances visibility on the road. Whether navigating through poorly lit streets or tackling challenging weather conditions, these bulbs deliver a level of illumination that goes beyond conventional halogen bulbs. Installing these LED bulbs is a breeze, thanks to the plug-and-play design. No need for complex wiring or modifications, the user-friendly installation process makes upgrading your headlights a quick and hassle-free task. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, these bulbs offer durability and reliability. This extended lifespan not only reduces the frequency of replacements but also proves to be a cost-effective choice in the long run. So that's sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.